Hello trainees, today we are going to learn about making the end table scarf joint with wedge. The objectives of this video are: after this session you'll be able to gathering equipment needed to make end table scarf joint with wedge, making the end table scarf joint with wedge, advantages and application of end table scarf joint with wedge. Let's start. Gathering equipment needed to make end table scarf joint with wedge. Wooden piece of dimension 60 mm into 30 mm into 200 mm, 2 numbers. Jack plane, glue, pencil, bench vise, mallet, firmer chisel, hand saw, tri-square, marking gauge, marking knife, smoothing plane. Making the end table scarf joint with wedge. Check the wooden pieces for its size. Plane it to size of 60 mm into 30 mm into 200 mm, 2 numbers, using jack plane. Mark the table scarf pieces and cut it to match the drawing. Let's first mark and make the 2 table scarves. Now let's mark the highlighted red region and remove it. First, draw the line 1, that is 50 mm from the edge of length 60 mm. Next, mark the line 2, that is 20 mm from the edge having length 200 mm. We get the red marked region and cut out the red marked region. Now let's mark and cut the green region. First, draw the line 3, that is at a distance of 75 mm from the line 1 as shown. Drawing line 4 at a distance of 20 mm below line 2. Now, line 1, two, 3, 4 gives us the green region which we need to carve out as shown. Let's mark and remove the purple region. First, draw the line 5 at 10 mm below the previously drawn line 2. Next, draw the line 6 at a distance of 65 mm to the right of line 3. We get the purple region. We need to remove it. Let's mark and remove the blue region. After marking and removing the regions in the 2 wooden pieces, we get this. Next, we need to mark and cut out the wedges as per the drawing. 2 parts of the joint is ready. Apply glue on the bottom surfaces of the top part and the top surface of bottom part and assemble it. Move the joint for the uniform spreading of glues. After assembling the 2 pieces, a 20 mm gap will be seen in the joint. Push the 18 mm width size of the wedge from the face side and 2 mm width size wedge from the back of the face side. Advantages of end table scarf joint with wedge. The scarf joint with a wedge provides excellent strength. Scarf joints create a seamless transition between two timbers. Unlike butt joints, scarf joints align perfectly, enhancing the overall appearance. Application of end table scarf joint with wedge. Scarf joints are often used in big projects such as garages, carports, floor renovation, repairing or restoring furniture, traditional timber frame construction, table legs, boat building and withstands the stress of water and waves, wooden beam. Let's quickly recap. Gather equipment including wooden pieces, jack plane, glue, pencil, bench vise, mallet, firmer chisel and handsaw. Mark the table scarf pieces according to the drawing. Carve out the marked areas in both wooden pieces. Then mark and cut the wedges. Assemble the joint with glue, inserting the wedges using a wooden mallet for reinforcement. Allow the glue to dry and finish the joint with a smoothing plane. Hope you understood everything taught in this session. See you in another video. Thank you and goodbye. Until then.